Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SEMrush for competitor analysis workflows, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the SEMrush website. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once your credentials are entered, click on the Login button. After logging in, you will be directed to your SEMrush dashboard. From here, locate the Competitors tab in the navigation menu. Click on Competitors to explore available analysis tools. You can use the Domain Overview tool to input your competitor's domain name. Enter the competitor's URL in the search bar and click Search. Review the overview of their organic search traffic, backlinks, and ad. To dive deeper, select the specific metrics you want to analyze, such as organic research. Here, you can view keywords your competitor. Utilize the Traffic Analytics tool to gain insights into your competitor's website traffic. Input the competitor's domain name again and analyze their traffic sources and visitor behavior. For a comprehensive view, explore the backlink analysis section as well. This allows you to see the sites linking to your competitor, offering valuable backlink opportunities. Use these insights to refine your own SEO and marketing strategies. Lastly, navigate to the Projects section to create and save your custom competitor analysis workflows. This feature allows for ongoing tracking and reporting on your competitors. Now you are ready to utilize SEMrush effectively for competitor analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.